Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist. I'm here with Nickolas, and Nickolas is the identical twin of Romello that we had earlier. And Nickolas was born at 3 pounds, 14 ounces. He was born at 33 weeks gestational age. He had a ventricular septal heart defect repair, and he also has pulmonary insufficiency and stenosis. He has attention deficit disorder and learning disabilities, and we're working on balance activities. So the activity we're playing today is tap but don't crush the cup. Good luck to you. So what I want you to do is tap one foot on here 10 times. 1, 2, 3, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, yes! And the other foot for me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we go. You got this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes! All right, looks like this was your easier foot, so this foot doesn't have to play, but this foot, can you put it up there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes! Boom! Do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes! All right, last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rockin'. I think it would have been trickier on the other foot. I will stack these up as high as the knee is. I won't go any higher than that. If I wanted to make this more challenging for him, I've had him put his hands on his hips or hands over his head. Over your head is a lot harder than hands on hips. But this is a basic idea of how I work on this balance activity. Nickolas, you did rockin'. Give me 5 right here. Boom! I hope this is helpful for you, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.